Hi everybody, it is, 2:46 and now 41 seconds. This is the drawing for X-Men number 2. Over here on the left hand side are the 21 filled spots. Okay, let's do our 3 dice. The number is 12, so I'm going to randomize 12 times. Name at the top of the list will get the book. There's a slight possibility I might actually be able to get this out tomorrow, Saturday, June 2nd. If not, it's then obviously not going out until Monday, which would be June 4th. Good luck, everybody. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and here's the final one, 12, spot 16, John Gray. Congratulations. Time is 2:47 and 45 seconds.